Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Pro IT Expert. In today's video, I shall show you how to remove a person from a photo using Canva. Yes friends, you can easily remove any object from a photo with Magic Eraser. So let's get started. Open Canva and click on Custom Size on Home page. Now enter the resolution as 800 into 600 pixels. A blank page will appear. On the left side, select the Uploads option, then click Upload Files and upload your image. I have uploaded two images. Now add the image to the slide, right click it and set it as the background. Select the image and click Edit Image. Choose Magic Eraser and adjust the brush size to fit the object you want to remove. Select the object or person in the image and click Erase. Wow, that's great. The object has been removed from the photo. Let's try it on another image. Here I have removed the car from the parking lot using Magic Eraser. But there are still some spots left. Select these spots again and click Erase. Wow, the eraser is very smart and the spots have been removed. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.